A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Question. You afraid for dead? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people for your gotta talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends them. And if you don't do it yet, do it now. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell too to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right here, so. Today, I'm going to read from the letter to the Hebrew them, chapter 2, from verse 14 to verse 18. So then, since them pick me up, a people like everybody else, him they turn somebody just like a them. That way there, when he got dead, he could have take away the devil power and make him no more power for kill nobody. And sake of that, him free the people that may come in like slave for all of them life, just cause them freed for dead. Cause for real, I know the angel them in business with so much. But Abraham pick them. So sake of all of them sitting there now, indeed half it turn like in brother and sister them where they on earth. Him did have it turn like them in a every way. That way there, as God helper, him could have turned one leader for the priest them where God can trust. And him be good and kind to people. Cause he understand where them a go through. And he could have come take away the people them sin too. And cause him for one did suffer when the devil did try to make him do wrong. He can help the people them we are face not the way we cause them for sin. And God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.